there's no opportunity to actually have a value-based conversation. When you send a proposal, it voids the possibility of having what I would call a value-based conversation. Because like you said, you can't control the context, but also you can't handle objections. You can't think out loud. That person is just thinking in their head and they're having a conversation with themselves. And the problem with that, Andrea, the problem with people having a conversation with themselves is they're using the same thinking in that conversation that is usually currently creating those problems. So I'll give you a really tangible example. Hey, I'm thinking about investing in myself because I know I need my presentations to be better. Cool. And Andrea, what does it look like to work with you? Oh, first we do this, then we do this, then we do this, and this is what we get. Okay, cool. Send me over a proposal and I'll see what that looks like, right? Proposal comes through. I look at it. Oh, that's quite expensive. Oh, I'm not sure whether I should do that. And then all of those things that I told you were already keeping them stuck, their assumptions. Well, I don't really know if I'm cut out to be a speaker. What about if this doesn't work for me? Do I really want to invest this money? It's a lot of money. Like, what else could I spend that on? You have no opportunity to have a conversation about that. But those questions they're asking themselves are the reason why they haven't already solved those problems. So we've got a big mantra on our program, which is your current thinking creates your current results. So when you send someone a proposal, they're looking at that proposal with their current thinking, which is creating the problem that you're trying to help them solve in the first place. Whereas a sales conversation allows them the space to actually change the thinking and actually see their problem from a new perspective. And your job as a salesperson is just to do exactly that, to help them see their problem from a new perspective. Or another way of saying that is uncover the problem that they didn't even realize that they had.